Get ready to experience the future of electric mobility with the 2025 BYD Atto 3, a compact electric SUV that combines cutting-edge technology, stylish design, and sustainable performance. Whether you're looking for eco-friendly driving, modern features, or a comfortable ride, the latest Atto 3 is designed to impress. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 features a sleek and modern design, with a bold front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that enhances aerodynamics. The clean, flowing lines and available 18-inch alloy wheels give it a dynamic and contemporary look, while the compact SUV proportions make it perfect for urban driving. At the rear, signature LED taillights and a subtle spoiler add to the Atto 3's sporty and futuristic presence. With its eye-catching design and eco-friendly credentials, the 2025 Atto 3 is ready to turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside the 2025 BYD Atto 3, and you'll find a tech-forward cabin designed for comfort and convenience. A 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, offering seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and BYD's intuitive Die-Link interface. Premium materials, including vegan leather upholstery and ambient lighting, create a modern and eco-conscious atmosphere. The spacious interior offers ample legroom and cargo space, making it perfect for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is powered by a state-of-the-art electric powertrain, featuring a 60.5 kilowatt-hour blade battery, providing a range of up to 260 miles, 420 kilometers, on a single charge, perfect for everyday driving and longer journeys. A single electric motor delivering 201 horsepower and 229 pound-feet of torque, ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. Support for fast charging, allowing the battery to go from 0% to 80% in just 45 minutes, making it convenient for on-the-go charging. The 2025 Atto 3 is equipped with advanced safety and driver assistance features, including BYD's Die-Pilot system, featuring adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added confidence, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection for enhanced safety, a 360-degree camera system and parking assist for stress-free maneuvering. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is the ultimate compact electric SUV for drivers who want to embrace sustainable mobility without compromising on style or performance. With its modern design, advanced technology, and eco-friendly powertrain, the Atto 3 is ready to take you into the future. Are you ready to join the electric revolution?